Same makeup for different eye shapes. Eyes with double eyelids, eyes with monolids. Today it's eye makeup for different eye shapes. Hi Wishtrenders, welcome back to Beauty Hackers. It's Casper and today I have another amazing episode for you guys. But in our last episode, just to recap, we talked all about makeup for different undertones. So I prepared something in the similar region today. I'm going to talk about eyeliner for beginners. We all have very different eye shapes, so we can't draw eyeliner exactly the same. Depending on the sort of mood or the image you want to give, you can change up the look. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do just that, and we're going to do it into two categories, for double eyelids and for monolids. And since I have double eyelids, we actually have a special guest today to start off the video. Before we begin our makeup, we need to know the shape of our eyes. So there are a couple different types. First of all, if your outer corners are lower than your inner corners, then it means you have downturned eyes, and in Korea we call these puppy dog looking eyes. On the other hand, if your outer corners are higher than your inner corners, then it means you have upturned eyes, and it gives you this sophisticated kind of cool look, and in Korea we call this the cat type face. When you see Taeyeon from Girls' Generation, she has downturned double eyelids, and when you see Sana from Twice, she has upturned double eyelids. Monolid means eyes without double eyelids or a very thin double eyelid, so when you open your eyes really big, it looks like you don't have a double eyelid. So if you look at Red Velvet's Seulgi, she's really famous for being a monolid, and ITZY's Yeji is also famous for having a really thin double eyelid. So did you figure out what type of eye shape you have? For those of you with double eyelids, whether you draw the wing up or down can change your impression entirely. For those of you with double eyelids, first, you have to decipher whether or not you have downturned or upturned eyes, and second of all, you have to decide what kind of impression you want to give, the puppy dog eyes or the cat image. That way, you can decide the way you're going to draw your eyeliner. If you see Taeyeon here, you can see that she has a completely different look in the two photos. If you have downturned eyelids and you draw the eyeliner upwards, and if you have upturned eyelids and you draw your eyeliner downwards, you can neutralize the effect. How to make a softer impression? We will start by using a brown pencil liner. Pencil liners can give a softer impression than a pen liner. Fill in the gaps between the eyelashes. You need to make sure to fill the inner lash line neatly as possible, as this part is more easily shown to others if you have double eyelids. Move back and forth to fill it in, and now we will wing down the eyeliner. Here you might ask how and how long you should draw the wing. From the end of your lash line, keep drawing downwards following your upper lid. That is the angle to draw the wing down eyeline. Use a brown shadow over the liner to make the eyeline look more natural. Finally, let's add contouring to make the eyeline look more like your own eyeline. Fill in the under corner as if you are connecting the wing and the underline into a horizontal line. Use a lighter brown shade than the eyeliner to fill it in. How to make an edgy impression. This time we will use a black pen eyeliner. It can give a more defined impression than a pencil. Likewise, fill in the lash line. The pen tip is sharp, so lean it to avoid eye irritation. Simply think that you are drawing dots to fill between the lashes. This time, do not fill the line until the outer eye corner. Instead, stop in the middle and go a little bit further and then start winging up from there. Imagine that you're drawing a line parallel to the under eyelid going upwards. When you're finished with the lining, fill it in with brown eyeshadow to make it look more natural. You can see see that same eyes look completely different just by changing the eyeliner, right? Softer eyes, edgier eyes, which one do you guys prefer? Monolid can easily look puffy. Thick eyeliner can make your eyes look stuffier. The biggest dilemma you monoliders out there have is this. Oh my gosh, I put so much makeup on my eyes, but where did it go? You open your eyes and it's gone, so you could easily make the mistake of applying too much eyeliner. When you see Seulgi when she first came out as Red Velvet, you can see a dense eyeline filled both on the upper and lower lid. It makes her look intense and a little bit stuffy around her eyes. But now when you see her makeup, she gives a softer look by using eyeliner and shadows that make her eyes look deeper. Today, with a guest with a thin double eyelid, almost a monolid, we're going to show you how to draw eyeliner for you monoliders and thin double eyeliders out there. We will use a soft brown pencil liner. It can look stuffy if you fill the inner eye lines, so start from slightly above your lash line. Instead of drawing a thick eyeliner, use a shadow to add contours. Choose a shadow with a color similar to your eyeliner. Blend it upwards. Now you will make a defined line using the brown pencil liner. When you're drawing the liner, try to wing it slightly upwards, following your natural underline curve. Blend the eyeline with a shadow to connect it to the rest of the wing. Add contours to the inner corner to blend it in naturally. Wishtrenders out there with monolids or thin double eyelids might feel it hard to draw eyeliner. Today's eye makeup tip can help those of you to make your eyes look naturally deep. That's it for today, guys. So we talked about how to draw upward eyeliners and downward eyeliners for double eyelids, and how to draw natural looking eyeliner for monolids and thin double eyelids out there. If you guys liked the video, then please let us know down in the comments down below, and we'll prepare a second episode for you guys. And also, if you have further questions, please participate in the survey down below and we will get back to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back in the next episode.